Hi guys, today I'm gonna be talking about something different, my car. Uh, I'm gonna go through with you guys what I want to do to it in the next clip. And yeah, I just wanted to share my experience with this car and maybe do something different on my channel than I usually do. And maybe who knows, I might not be able to go to any car shows or car meets because of the COVID-19. Everyone's supposed to be inside, but I can still ride my car at least without being annoyed by the police. In the next clip, I'm gonna show you a rock around of the car and what I need to do to it. Okay, so first off, there's gonna be this scratch to take care of, I guess. But it's not really big. The paint's not fucked up, at least. There's this. All the roofs on Civics and on the Accord, they peel off, and I wrapped the roof in black, gloss black. This under warranty. It just peels off, like on the antenna. Also, I also plastered the side trim on the door. They were chrome. Now they're black. It's showing up again, but it held off for a while. Besides that, got some tires coming for winter. This I need to paint. The car basically has a muffler delete and resonator delete. The second one, not the first one after the cats. HFP wheels. The front needs some work also. The bumper, the paint's peeling off. The car was in a small accident when I bought it. Bit of rust over there. Just a chip. I got ran over. Like people just hit my car all the time. I live in a big city. So. Besides that, that's pretty much it. Maybe some lowering springs. I don't want to be able be stuck adjusting all the time for the winter. Got some HIDs. I'm not showing right now, but I'm gonna put it on. HIDs and LEDs. HIDs for night lights, LEDs for fogs. I need to take care of that also. They're burned on the other side. I think that's because of my trim. My trim's all fucked up. Maybe water got in and burned those. Also, my tail lights are tinted, vinyl tinted. It's not much, just a little bit. Besides that, the car's pretty clean. There's no real dents or scratches. The car's pretty dirty right now. I didn't wash it off because it's winter. I'm gonna give you an overall look. It's fucking cold outside. It's a fun car to drive. It's automatic. Because when I bought it, I basically didn't know how to drive manual, so just went with the automatic car. The manual version was pretty hard to find, also not beat up. This one was, like I said, it was in a car accident, but it wasn't major. Like the car was not VGA. So they replaced the bumper, the front bumper, and painted. As you guys see or saw, I mean, they didn't do it real well because it was painted maybe 5 years ago, and it's all peeled off. So I'll need to repaint that lowering springs and fix the roof, the near the window. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. See you on the next one.